3 words for people that are fun, funny, and excited. By the way, how often do you use those words in English? I bet quite a bit, don't you? So yeah, let's learn those words in Portuguese. Fun, funny, and excited. First of all, excited. Excited in Portuguese is animado. And you can use the word as you use excited in English, like, oh, I am really excited about this new video that this guy posted about Portuguese. That would be, eu tô muito animado. Animado, you see? Excited. Sobre esse vídeo. Blah, 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 blah. So yeah, excited equals animado. And if you are very animado about this, give your like down below. Next word is fun. Oh, that's fun. Oh, that sounds fun, right? How often do you say that? If you are a fun person, I bet you say that quite a bit. So, fun in Portuguese would be divertido. Divertido. I know that it's kind of like a long word and tricky, but yeah. Divertido. And you can say, muito divertido. Esse vídeo é muito divertido. Parece muito divertido. Sounds very fun. Massa? Tudo bem até aqui? Everything good so far? What else? And the third word, funny. Oh, that's so funny. Funny. Engraçado. Engraçado. Isso é muito engraçado. Isso é muito engraçado. That's very funny. Muito engraçado. That's it. Animado, engraçado, divertido. That's it. So simple. I know it's not that simple, but yeah. You can also say the feminine version, which would be animada. Or, for example, a festa tá muito animada. The party is very exciting, yeah. And engraçada, for example, ela é muito engraçada. She is really funny. And divertido. Divertida, yeah. So that would be, nossa, ela é muito divertida. Nossa, minha vida é muito divertida. Could you get all those sentences? Drop in the comments what you think they mean. Oh yeah, that was it. Animada, divertido, engraçada. Massa, see you soon.